go and buy Tranexamic Acid face serum, you're wasting your money. When you can buy a face serum that contains Tranexamic Acid, kogic acid, and Licorice Extract, you can add for the same price or even lesser. Do you get? Find products that contain multiple ingredients and they are cheap. So if you are buying a face cream, try to buy a face cream that contains 2 of the ingredients I have mentioned, and let your serum contain. So I'm going to be telling you specific skincare ingredients that should be included in all your face care routine. And if these products are not there, my dear, you are totally wasting your time and wasting your money. If you watch this video right here where we talked about 5 best lightening face creams for melasma, hyperpigmentation, sunspot, dark spot, and lightening up your face, that is if your face is darker than your body, if you saw that particular video, then this one is of a high necessity for you to see it, because I am going to be telling you to follow up products that you are supposed to use after using those particular products to maintain the results you have gotten. The reason why a lot of you use some product and after some time you notice that that skin condition comes back is because you are not using the right products to actually maintain the results you have gotten from the previous products you have used. Now, if you have not seen that video and you are seeing this one, I would suggest you see that one first, then come back to this one. Okay, so you are going to actually understand me and pick up from where we are. So now, from the previous one we talked about, I told you how to use this product, but I wanted to mention something else. Okay, but before then I want to say that this video has timestamps in the description box, so you can use the timestamps to switch to different parts of the video. I just want to take my time to explain. I want anybody that watches these 2 videos to actually see results on their face and their facial issues. So I want to take time to explain some things. For those of you that don't have the patience, please use the timestamps in the description box. So as I was saying, what I wanted to mention from the previous video we did is, if you are using those products, one thing some people might notice is their face is going to start lightening up, like your whole face and maybe your neck. If you use it on your neck, also maybe your neck is dark, you are going to notice that at some point your face has brightened up. You have gotten to the complexion you want, but the major dark patches or dark spots on your face has not cleared up totally. Okay, now what you are going to do is to stop using it on your whole face and switch to the products I'm going to tell you today. Okay, but you are still going to be using it on those places that are still dark on your face. Now that is where spot treatment comes in. So what you're going to do is you are going to be using that same face cream, but no longer all over your face. You are going to be using it only the places you want to lighten up, because if you keep using it all over your face, your whole face is going to keep lightening up, but those dark patches and those dark spots are still going to be catching up little by little, and you are going to still get to the point where your face is now probably lighter than your body, and then because your face has become very light, it is now making the dark spot, the pigmentation or the melasma on your face to be more pronounced, because the lighter your face is, the more pronounced your melasma is going to become. Do you get? So if you are having melasma or you are actually treating dark spots with those creams, after using it on your face to achieve a brighter, lighter complexion, stop it and then start using it as a spot treatment. Okay, while you now use the products I'm going to be telling you here as a total facial treatment, as a facial cream, but I'm going to be explaining everything later on in the video, like how you can use these 2 products in a routine, something like that. So that's what I wanted to explain. Hi besties, welcome and welcome back to Beautiful Jenny Skincare channel. I'm pleased to have you here. So today we are going to be talking about 5 brightening products that you are going to use to brighten your skin, you're going to use to maintain your skin complexion, and also to keep the melasma, to keep the hyperpigmentation away from your face from coming back together. But this video is going to have a little twist, which is I'm going to be talking more on the ingredients you should be looking for in a face product, especially for those having melasma, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots, like it keeps reoccurring in your skin. There are specific ingredients, skincare ingredients you should be looking out for. Now, why I'm going to be majoring on skincare ingredients is because I am aware that my subscribers are from different parts of the world. Now, if I go ahead and give specific products, you might not see it in your location. So I'm still going to give product recommendations, but just in case you are not going to find that particular product in your region, you can use the idea, like the knowledge from this video, to actually make better choices when buying your next skincare or face routine product. Okay, remember to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not, leave your comment. At any point you want to ask me any question, I am here for you 247 to reply to you. Please like this video, I'm watching you. So now, to keep hyperpigmentation away, to keep melasma away, to keep dark spots away, to keep sunspots away, and to keep anything that looks like overproduction of melanin away from your face, there are specific ingredients that has to be in your face care routine, or even in your skincare routine generally. And if these products are not there, my dear, you are totally wasting your time and wasting your money. So I'm going to be telling you specific skincare ingredients that should be included in all your face care routine. This video is about face, so I'm going to be majoring on face. Okay, so number one is tranexamic acid. Okay, so let me explain the basis. The first thing, the reason why I'm recommending these ingredients to you is to keep melasma, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, to clear them totally and to keep them away from coming back, is to use products that contain specific skincare ingredients that is going to help to regulate your melanin production. Because what causes melasma is overproduction of melanin in some parts of your skin. What causes hyperpigmentation is the same thing. What makes you to get darker is the same thing. Now, these things have triggers. There is something that triggers it. One is the sun. The next thing is your hormonal balance, your diet, a lot of things triggers it. Okay, but the thing that gets triggered is your melanin, the enzymes that produce your melanin. So you need to be using skincare products that contain specific skincare ingredients that is able to regulate your melanin production. And there are some skincare ingredients that don't just regulate your melanin production, they actually reduce it. Because for some people, their body produces melanin in high percentage, okay, depending on your DNA, your genes, and all of those things. So there are some skincare ingredients you're going to be using, incorporating to your skincare routine. Your melanin production is going to drop. The black melanin production in your skin is going to drop, and the white melanin is going to increase, and then you are going to notice that you are going to be getting fairer. Okay, so the melanin your skin is going to be producing is the melanin that is going to promote fairness, and not the melanin that is going to promote dark skin. Now, these things have scientific names which I'm not using, so you can properly understand me. So this is the reason why I am giving you these specific ingredients to look out for when you are buying your face care routine products. Now, number one, as I already said, is tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid is very good at regulating your melanin production and all of those things. Let me not explain. I've already explained that. Now, the next ingredient is azelaic acid. Okay, the next ingredient you need to look out for is turmeric. Like, turmeric is very good at regulating your melanin production and even reducing the excess melanin production in your skin. So turmeric is very good. So if you are someone that is very good with DIY, okay, if you're looking towards doing DIY, you can try increasing using turmeric mask and all of those things. Turmeric is very, very good. Another thing that works is papaya. That is why on my channel here, I always recommend papaya soap, papaya this, papaya that. Papaya is also very good when it comes to, regulating and reducing your melanin production. Licorice extract is also good at doing that. Licorice extract is very, very good at reducing and regulating melanin production. SymWhite is also good in reducing and regulating melanin production. SymWhite in particular is very, very good, and I'm going to be recommending a particular product here. Is a face cream that contains SymWhite. SymWhite is very, very good. Okay, it really works at that. So these are products, skincare ingredients you should be looking out for, okay, when buying your skincare product. Now, this is the trick I use. I don't choose one, so you can choose two. Okay, you can choose two, but make sure that that two you are choosing is contained, or at least one is contained in all your skincare ingredients. That is how you are going to get fast results. If you don't use this combination method, you are not going to see results. One product doesn't really work to do these particular things. So for me personally, this is how I use it. I use a collection of these ingredients in my skincare routine, and since I started doing that, that is when my face started being, clear and smooth, and I stopped seeing all those things, and it helped me to keep those things at bay. So now over to the products I have to recommend for you today. The first one I have to recommend for you is a face cream, and that is the Neutriherbs Lighten face cream. Now I chose this particular product because this particular product contains SymWhite. The SymWhite I talked about initially. It contains tranexamic acid, it contains vitamin C, and it contains titanium dioxide. This is an ingredient that protects and shields your skin from the sun. Okay, so can you see it contains a combination, just like I was saying? So it contains both the SymWhite and it contains both tranexamic acid. So if you are buying a face cream, try to buy a face cream that contains two of the ingredients I have mentioned, and let your serum contain one. This is how you are going to see sharp result. If you don't do it like that, it is going to take you a longer time, and maybe you might not even have the patience. You say, this thing is not working. When you join these things together, even your village people cannot stop your face from clearing. Your face is going to clear, and it is going to remain like that. That condition is not going to come back unless you stop using these skincare ingredients. Do you get? So if you get this knowledge in this video, you don't need to worry about changing products. Once you have the skincare ingredients, you know the skincare ingredient, the combination that works for you, you are no longer going to be scared of changing your skincare product, because even if you are buying another skincare product, you know the ingredients you are looking out for, and you are sure that if you get this ingredient in this particular brand, it is going to work for you. So the next product is the Touch Bright and Clear Cream. Now this particular cream contains niacinamide, it contains tranexamic acid, it contains kogic acid, it contains azelaic acid. Now this particular cream is a very good cream. Okay, it is a cream that is going to help to keep melasma away, keep hyperpigmentation away. A lot of people buy this cream and think that it's going to do magic for them. A lot of people say, it's not working for me and all of that. These creams are mostly preventive creams, are mostly maintenance creams. They are not creams that are going to lighten your face. They're not creams that are really going to, especially melasma. They might not work very fast for melasma. They might work for melasma, but it's going to take a very long time. Just like I told you, if you're in your beginning stage, please go back to the first video. That's where your solution is. This one is for maintenance of the results you have gotten, to actually keep those things at bay, to regulate. These things are regulating your melanin production, but the result that has already come out on your skin, you actually need something to clear it. And as I mentioned in the first video, the things that can clear those things, number one is hydroquinone. If you really want to treat melasma, you need to use hydroquinone. Creams that contain steroids, creams that contain strong lightening and melanin inhibiting ingredients in them. And those creams I mentioned to you, yeah. Now the next on my list is the Wonder face cream. This particular face cream is one of my favorite face creams. Everybody I prescribe this face cream to, nobody has ever come back and said, oh yeah, this face cream works, it is good, it smoothens your face, it maintains your face complexion, and it keeps your face from getting dark. And this particular product contains licorice extract, it contains green tea, it contains niacinamide, it contains hyaluronic acid, it contains rosemary extract, and it contains vitamin C. Okay, this particular product went through the organic brand. They use organic products that also work. Green tea extract is very good, rosemary extract is very good, licorice extract is very wonderful. This whole combination is very good for your face. So these are products you are going to use to maintain the results you have gotten. So the fourth on my list is the Suquato dark spot correcting serum. So this one contains 10% niacinamide, 4% tranexamic acid, it contains vitamin C, and it contains ceramide. This is a very strong serum. Okay, so if you're going to use this serum, okay, please, if you can get this serum, do get this serum, because this serum is going to be very lovely for your skin. If you still have traces of the melasma, traces of dark spots, traces of uneven skin tone, it is going to help you to clear it permanently and also maintain that result you have gotten to your skin. Now the last on my list is the Naturium Tranexamic Acid 5% plus kogic acid, niacinamide, and Licorice Extract. Did you notice a pattern in all these products I recommended for you? I made sure that they didn't just contain one ingredient. Just like I told you, to get results, don't go and buy Tranexamic Acid face serum. You're wasting your money. When you can buy a face serum that contains Tranexamic Acid, kogic acid, and Licorice Extract, you can add for the same price or even lesser. Do you get? Find products that contain multiple ingredients and they are cheap. Do you get? So this all the products I recommended for you today, they are products that contain multiple melanin inhibiting skincare ingredients in them, and these things are going to work. This last one is top notch. 5% tranexamic acid, kogic acid, niacinamide, licorice extract. So these things are really going to work for you. So these are the 5 products I have to recommend for you. If you can get it in your location, please do get it. You can get one face cream and you can get a face serum and you can get a face serum and match them together, and you're going to see that your face is going to glow and that complexion is going to pop and your skin is going to remain so forever. And even if you want to change products, you know how to combine your skincare ingredients and to give you the best results you want. So let me know your questions in the comment section and I am going to be there for you. I mentioned about to switch up your routine, how it works for you. I have a video here teaching you how to create and craft your skincare routines by yourself. If you need my help, I have a personal consultation going on. Check the link, click the join button, and you're going to see the membership for personal consultation so I can help you to build your personal skincare routine for you. That's all I have for you today. Remember, if you have questions, let me know. Please, if you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on our next one.